All right, traders, beautiful long signal showed up today at 1:30 p.m. this afternoon, allowing us to catch a jaw-dropping 1,000 tick move in today's session. All right, guys and gals, I warned you repeatedly to be prepared for Fed Day. Anyone who's been a customer or a client of mine for any length of time knows how much I live for Fed days. Guys, I'm telling you, there's 6 Fed days a year, and if all you did was just trade those 6 days a year, then you would be shocked at your trading performance. All right, because Fed Day is like a money printing machine. All it does is print money all day long. So let's get into it, guys and gals. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or client, then I know you crushed it today on Fed Day. And I'm so glad that you had a strong, powerful, and profitable day. That's all that matters to me, okay? Because nothing brings me more joy than seeing my customers and my clients crush it on a day like today. Just crush it. All right, so let me talk to you guys who are still maybe not in the know, or a lot of you guys and gals have no idea the power of a trend trading system and a trend trading strategy. So let me talk to you and educate you a little bit about what you're seeing on the screen right now. All right, this is a live chart of today's market, and what you're seeing overlaid on top of the chart, okay, this green and red color band is a simple but powerful volume indicator profile. All right, this color band, what I lovingly call the vol, is designed to do one thing and one thing only every day. Okay, it's designed to tell you and inform you what is the prevailing trend at any moment in time, and also when the trend has changed. Okay, and listen, if that's the only change that you made in your trading, okay, which is get your hands on an indicator that can truly and accurately tell you the prevailing trend, all right, if that's all you did, then guys, I can promise you your technical analysis skills are going to skyrocket. All right, that's just the truth. Because being able to detect a trend change before it happens, I mean, that's the holy grail, man. It really is. All right, so make no mistake about it, guys. That's what this indicator can do. It's what it's designed to do, and it's what it did do today. All right, now first things first, you see this little section right here? Let me zoom in and get you dialed in just like this. All right, let's talk about this. All right, it's very important you guys learn from today's wild price action trading. Today was awesome. All right, and I'm glad a lot of you guys made money today, but we need to use days like today as a learning opportunity to get better the next day and the next session, right? So pay attention, especially all you guys that are new, pay attention to what I'm going to show you right now. So when this color band changes and identifies a trend change, in this case to the long side, all right, we do nothing, right? Instead, we wait. We want to see if the market's going to confirm that potential uptrend. But what's more important is I want to see the market pull back, right? I want to see the market retrace. It's got to come back. Why? Because I want to get a much better fill on the pullback as opposed to getting filled on the color change. You understand? So this right here is the signal to go long this market. Period. End of story, end of discussion. This is exactly how to play a trend. And like I said, guys, if all you did was master this chart pattern that I am literally showing you in front of your face, dude, I'm telling you, your technical analysis trading skills are going to skyrocket. Just trust me, because you'll be spotting these patterns almost every day on your own. All right. So if this is the signal to go long the market, right, we want to wait for this bar to close, which is a green bar against the green color band, and this bar's low's got to be under the band. We are 3 for 3. We are long and strong on the close of this bar, which is the open of the next bar, right? So we look to buy this market on the open of the next bar, which is right there. We would also then place our stop loss, 1 or 2 ticks or pips, if you follow along in Forex, okay, underneath the signal bar's low, and that's it, guys. You then let the trend do the dirty work and the heavy lifting for you as this market surged for 1,000 ticks. All right, guys and gals. And all we did was simply play a trend change within the context of a perfect retracement setup. You understand? So let me zoom back out again so you guys can see what a beautiful picture this indicator painted today, right? And I want to speak to you in all seriousness, okay? I know that there's a lot of you guys and gals out there who watch this channel who love trading the market as much as I do and all of my customers and clients, right? You're passionate about the market, you're excited about the market, and you want to trade the market for a living. And so here's the only thing I can say to you, man. Get off the sidelines, get involved, right? Take a chance on yourself and learn a system and a strategy that actually works. I mean, I only showed you the long from today. What about the short from just 1 hour prior, right? Look at that beautiful short retracement for another 300 ticks, right? Over and over and over again, folks, you're going to see these retracement patterns, I think, almost every day and on almost every symbol out there. Forex, futures, stocks, and options. Man, today was a day for the record books. It was absolutely a picture-perfect day to trade a trend within the context of retracements. I told all you guys and gals out there that we were going to crush it today, and I cannot wait to see what this volume indicator is going to give us tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.